Hi everybody, we kick-started our Eastern Leaders Programme in August, and within the first module we concentrated on knowing ourselves as leaders. This first workshop explored leadership styles, personal values, and it was an open discussion with their peer group about how to develop a strong leadership identity and how to make an impact in their role. So we've identified 15 leaders from the East of England, and we've broken those down into 3 groups of 5 in order to create more meaningful interactions with their colleagues, given the fact that the programme is now being delivered virtually. Each module workshop is supported by a masterclass, and we're thrilled to have Aileen Evans, CIH President and Grand Union Chief Executive, to join us for a very honest discussion about what COVID has taught us about leadership, and it's an opportunity to explore modern strategic thinking in more detail. These masterclasses are designed to follow up on the learning from each module, so we can hear a range of views and experiences from influential leaders from both within and outside the sector, and we thank everyone who's offered to support the programme. Running parallel to the programme, we've positioned a team-based research project called Fit for the Future. This is an opportunity for each group of 5 to work collaboratively, making the most of their diverse skills and backgrounds, and provide them with the space to reach out to their networks and get a world view of the future of housing. So the project will consider things like, what are we seeing around us? How are our organisations adapting? How's the sector evolving? And what are other industries doing to transform what they do? Our objective within the research project is to consider what housing best practice could look like and how the sector will evolve. And each team will spend between August and December carrying out their research, and we've invited them to present to an expert panel in December to close the programme. And from here, Greenacre will be pulling this valuable research together to produce a dissertation-style report, which we aim to publish by early next year. So hopefully this will give a tangible outcome to the programme which future cohorts can read and develop for future years. So using a wide network is going to be essential to this research, and we've approached a number of people within our network who have offered to contribute their thoughts and support. So if you're watching this and you'd like to offer your views and thoughts about the future of housing, then I'd welcome a discussion with you. So please do get in touch. As we go, we'll be keeping the updates coming, and hopefully we'll be able to hear from some of the participants in the coming weeks. So thank you very much for watching, and remember, please do get in touch if you'd like to contribute.